Hi, I'm Matilda and I'm a certified clinical aromatherapist. I'm also a trainer for internationally accredited aromatherapy courses. So if you would like to pursue aromatherapy professionally or would like to deepen your knowledge in this area, do check out my link in the description down below to find out more about the courses that I teach. This channel is set up to empower women in health and wealth. So if you like the topics that I'm sharing in this channel, do subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified of all future videos. Today, I'm going to share with you what are some of the uses and benefits of cedarwood essential oil. The essential oil of cedarwood is a substance derived from needles, leaves, crust, and berries of the cedars. There are many varieties of cedar found all over the world. The species that I'm going to share with you today will be on Cedrus atlantica. Cedarwood is extremely high in sesquiterpenes content of up to 90%. These compounds are known for their calming and sedative properties and have been highly researched for its broad range of physiological properties, including antibiotic, anti-tumor, antiviral, immune boosting, antifungal, and its insect repellent properties as well. Cedarwood essential oil is commonly used as an ingredient in insect repellent, cologne, shampoo, and deodorant. If you like this video that I am sharing, I would appreciate it greatly if you could smash the like button and share it with your friends. Let's take a look at what are some of the benefits and uses of cedarwood essential oil. First and foremost, a very common usage of cedarwood will be for hair loss. Alopecia areata is a disease that makes the immune system attack the hair follicles, which leads to hair loss. Cedarwood is one of the essential oils that can improve hair growth. A small study in 1998 showed that administering a massage daily on the scalp of people with alopecia areata with essential oils of cedarwood, thyme, rosemary, and lavender together with a carrier oil showed a significant hair growth when this mixture has been applied directly to the scalp for a period of 7 months. If you'd like to find out more about essential oils that promote hair growth, do check out my other video on hair growth in the link above and in the description down below. Besides promoting hair growth, cedarwood can also be used for scalp health. Now, massaging the scalp with a mixture of cedarwood essential oil and a carrier oil can also help reduce the itch on the scalp. This can make it great for those of you with eczema on the scalp. You can try adding 1 to 3% of cedarwood essential oil directly into your chemical-free shampoo. Besides using cedarwood for the hair and the scalp, we can also use it for the skin. Cedarwood oil has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. This can make it beneficial to skin conditions like acne. Try using cedarwood essential oil as a spot treatment for pimples, blackheads, or whiteheads. Dilute the oil, apply it to the skin with a swab or a cotton ball and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. Cedarwood essential oil can also be useful for other skin conditions. For example, it can reduce the appearance of scars, treat minor injuries, relieve arthritis pain, and helps with eczema as well. In addition, cedarwood essential oil is great for tightening the skin. Hence, you can use it to prevent sagging skin. Especially if you intend to go on a weight loss program, apply cedarwood on your skin first to prevent stretch marks. You can also add cedarwood essential oil to chemical-free lotions and creams. If you'd like to find out more about what other essential oils you can use for the skin, do check out my other video on skin in the link above and the description down below. Next, we can also use the aroma of cedarwood to promote deep sleep. If used as an aromatherapy treatment, cedarwood essential oil can have a sedative effect, which makes it beneficial to relieve occasional insomnia. Try using cedarwood oil in a diffuser as an aromatherapy treatment or add some drops to a hot bath before going to bed. Next, we can also use cedarwood to ease anxiety because cedarwood contains this compound called cedro, and cedro in cedarwood oil can have a calming effect on our moods, which makes it beneficial to anxiety and reducing stress. Next, we can also use cedarwood as a cologne. The relaxing and woody aroma of cedarwood essential oil has made it a popular ingredient in colognes and perfumes. If you want to use cedarwood essential oil as your personal fragrance, gently apply the diluted oil behind your ears or your wrists or pulse points. You can also add a few drops to chemical-free products you currently use. Lastly, as I have mentioned before, we can use cedarwood oil as an insect repellent as well. Topically applied, cedarwood oil helps to repel fleas, ticks, and moths. Make sure you dilute the oil if you're applying it to your skin or using it on your pet. Also, keep in mind that some essential oils are dangerous for pets. Make sure you check with a vet before using it on your cat, dog, or other animal. Besides the above uses, you can simply mix cedarwood essential oil with a carrier oil for a scalp and skin massage. It can also be added to chemical-free personal care products such as lotions, bath gels, shampoos, and deodorant. If you like what I have just shared, do smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified of all future videos. That's all I have to share today. I really appreciate you being here today. So if you like this video, do smash the like button and share it with your friends. Have a good day and a great week ahead, and don't forget to check out my other videos.